The Mediterranean is the sea of neighborliness, the meeting point of 3 continents and 22 states. Viewed from another perspective, it almost resembles an inland lake, a water body shared by the lands it laps against. Since ancient times, the Mediterranean was a melting pot where various peoples crossed paths for trade and territorial control. However, its exploitation, especially over the last century, has intensified to such an extent as to generate a series of serious problems, from pollution to the impoverishment of fish species, up to the degradation of natural habitats and coastlines. How can we address and remedy these issues? In 1975, 16 Mediterranean countries and the United Nations adopted the Mediterranean Action Plan to promote the sustainable development of Mediterranean region, the responsible use of its coasts, to combat pollution and address the pressing issues of biodiversity loss. In 1995, to strengthen these actions further still, 21 countries bordering the Mediterranean and the EU joined forces and signed the Barcelona Convention for the protection of the marine environment and the coastal region of the Mediterranean Sea. The responsibility of carry out the principles of the Barcelona Convention has been entrusted to the MAP Coordinating Unit, BC Secretariat. Over time, 7 supporting centers sprung up in different parts of the Mediterranean, each one focused on specific themes. What specific objectives have been set? To convey the message and the knowledge of the Barcelona Convention. To protect biodiversity and sustainably manage marine areas and natural resources. To observe the link between environment and development and explore possible futures. To prevent eutrophication. To tackle pollution and reduce marine litter. To preserve coastal ecosystems and landscapes by preventing intensive coastal urbanization. To assist Mediterranean coastal states in preventing, preparing for and responding to marine pollution from ships. To promote a zero-waste, non-polluting, low-carbon, resource-efficient production and consumption, contributing to fair, equitable socioeconomics. MedPol and 6 regional activity centers, RACs, are focusing on specific issues. Many ancient peoples have left their mark on the Mediterranean, while many of today's communities are committed to safeguard it for the well-being of future generations. It is only through a medium-term strategy and a common and integrated approach that we can improve the quality of the Mediterranean ecosystem.